Hi, I'm Brandon Bombardo with ShopSabre CNC. Today, I'm excited to show off our SideKick Series CNC Plasma with a project that's a fan favorite among many of you, a plasma cut barbecue fire pit. One of our guys here at ShopSabre found this file online for just $8, and he asked me if I could cut him out one, and I figured why not film it so that you could see it come to life. We'll be cutting it from a sheet of 10 gauge mild steel that we already had on hand in the shop. Though before we get started, let's look at the features of the SideKick Series Plasma machine that we'll be using today. For today's cut though, I'm going to be using the Hypertherm PowerMax 85 Sync. One of my favorite things about this system is its cartridge design. It lets me swap the amperages quickly and easily with minimal risk of making a mistake. And the machine behind me is a 4x8 format, but know that we do offer the SideKick in other sizes such as 4x4, 5x10, and a 6x12. If you need more advanced capabilities, you could also look at our ShopMaster for high definition plasma or our FiberSabre for the ultimate in precision and performance. Now this robust gantry design behind me features a large structural tube steel design. It gives you the strength to run longer jobs with less heat absorption and deflection over time. It's proudly engineered, fabricated, and assembled right here in the USA. Another great option made possible due to this upgraded gantry design is our light-duty CNC router attachment. Even if your main business focuses on steel, you can easily tackle one-off wood or plastic projects, making your shop more versatile and able to say yes to more customer requests. The welded steel frame design means it can handle heavy materials without flinching. That same rigidity allows high-speed cutting in thinner materials with incredible accuracy. It's perfect for those who demand more from their equipment. Another time saver is the fully integrated material library in our controller. With the Hypertherm system, your book settings come preloaded so that you can start cutting easier. These are your starting points and you can fine-tune them for your specific environments. Now, if you want to take a deeper dive into our technology, you can check out our ShopSabre Minute video series. For today's cut, we're going to be using en route fabrication to set up the toolpath for our purchase DXF file, but you could also use SheetCam or Hypertherm Pro Nest LT. Okay, we've got our 10 gauge mild steel on the table, our file loaded, and our XY0 set. So let's get this file running and bring this fire pit to life. As you can see, the fire pit came together perfectly. I'm sure the new owner will love having this in his backyard. The SideKick made it easy, taking a simple file and turning it into a finished product in just minutes. Whether you're a one-man fab shop or a high-volume operation, CNC Plasma can help you produce parts faster, cleaner, and more accurately than ever before. You pair that with ShopSabre's American-made build quality and world-renowned support, and you have a tool that will tackle the toughest projects. From signs and brackets to full production lines, this is CNC automation at its best. It's time to get yourself a SideKick. Thanks for watching this ShopSabre video. I'm Brandon Bombardo, and I'll see you in the next one.